Here is our full experience of staying at NH Collection by the Palm. We live in Sharjah, so it took us around an hour to arrive at the hotel. We're here. Ano masasabi mo?
Wala ko masabi.
Excited na ka mo lang eh. Kate.
Si Kuya. Ngayon nasa swimming pool.
Loy, kig na.
Binaba ako na.
When we arrived at the hotel was packed with people, and the line over the check-in counter was so long that it took us about 45 minutes to an hour before we officially checked in. Mag-settle sa misamo. Now let me show you a room tour. After settling in, we immediately went to the rooftop for their infinity pool because unfortunately the staff told us that their pool timing is from 8 a.m. only up to 6 p.m. And at this point it is already 5:45 p.m. so we only have 15 minutes left to swim. But I think it would have been better if they allowed night swimming here so we could see the city lights and enjoy the pool for a longer time. Ano to? 5-minute break. Gusto ang ligot itong na. So upon arrival, we actually arrived late. We're supposed to check in around 2 p.m. but the travel is so long and they had work, so we arrived here 5 p.m. na. So the check-in actually took a long time. We waited for around 1 hour. We asked what time the pool will close, and sadly, unfortunately, the pool will be closing 6 p.m. And so we only had like 10 to 15 minutes to go explore the swimming pool and swim. So we just got back from the pool and we're getting ready to go out eat dinner. We're just waiting for our friend to finish off getting ready and we'll be going out. I'll update you later. While waiting, we're watching movie and then we're gonna eat snack. For the dinner, we decided to go to the Palm Jumeirah Mall, which is only a 5-minute walk from the hotel, which is also so convenient for us. Also, they have a tennis court here.
Milyonaryo kami sa Pilipinas. Ano lang kami, nagbakasyon kami sa Dubai. Anak kami ni Congressman ano. Proud.
Jollibee daw. Then we spend the rest of the night exploring the mall. This building right here is our hotel, which is only the opposite of the mall. And then we decided to explore their bar before going back to our room to end our night. Ay, saba.
Kuya guys. Ang bag ni Kuya White. Kabalo. Nanam. Wala siya. So, Joey.
Wala mo. Ay, pagsilod diri. Ibilin.
Ambot.
Nabalikin ito.
So, ka sa bag. Ha?
Nang, pamanicure ko nang. Pamanicure ko nang.
It's the next day, guys. So, we're getting ready na to explore the beach. Mag-breakfast meaning 8. It's still 7. So, I just found out nga na-upgrade among rooming on akong friend. Instead of standard room, na-upgrade me to studio room. Wala po siya kabalong. Ano daw na-upgrade me?
Yung tagkap yung guys.
Mag-tame trata kay mo. Kaya po mairis. Wala ang toothbrush ay. O kadalag toothpaste. Wala toothpaste ilang room. O, din na. Wala toothpaste ilang room. Same food sa room sa akong friend. Wala toothpaste. Pero nasa lang dala nga toothpaste.
Kamu, wala yung dala toothpaste guys.
Ngayon rami nila. I'll update you once malaka na mi. Bye! Mangita sa mi sa gym. Try make explore.
Harap mo.
Let's go! May nga kayo bang way pa. Sa M?
Ha?
M. Gymnasium. Kuya, wala na ko ito kung mansay galingkod. Tanaw mo. Naloko, di mo kupot. The gym is indeed very nice and clean, and luckily there was no one other than us, so we had the gym all for ourselves. And here's a gym tour. Kapoy na ko, guys. Now, what a good way to eat good food after workout, right? We went to the buffet to eat breakfast, and not gonna lie, the food was good. In this area, they have a chef that can cook your egg any way you want. We're going to the beach. Going to the beach. Ang agtang guys, source of heat. The beach was only a 5-minute walk from the hotel. However, it was in the middle of the day and the heat is literally melting us. So we were not able to swim into the beach, but we did swim in the pool, which is also nice. But basically, this pool that we are at right now is not under the hotel we are staying at, but we can still access the beach in this small pool. However, the pool on the other side is off limits for us, but we don't really mind. Bali na may sa pikas na pool. Ang pagtao pa way sa So, ready na me for check-out. Let's talk about our stay here. 15 one day ra. So, yesterday, kay dapat, ang amount check-in is 2 p.m. But, dapat man sila duty niya, travel time pa. Mga 1 hour amount travel. So, nabot may, naka-check-in na may diri, mga 5, di ba, be?
Yeah. Yeah, naka-check-in the 5.
Di, nabot na rin mga 4 kapin. Naka-check-in may 5 kay taas kay ang linya sa check-in. And then, dugay sa kay sila naka-process sa check-in. Nagpag-abot na nila sa counter. Kay, mga abtan pagod sila usa ka oras gyud kay dagan kunog ka ng kote-kote and all. So, mo to kay, ingon to among friend nga, gikuan to among room. Instead of sa standard may mong stay, gi-upgrade among room. So, na meron sa studio. So, mo na siya nga, na siya included nga cooker, washing machine, sa pa, ref, dako kailang ref nga gi-provide. So, yeah, kay studio room siya. So, basically, pwede mo makaluto. Dari nag-provide, napon sila provided nga mga cooking pan. All in all, nice naman our room, comfy ang bed. Ang pillow kay nice kayo, kay nagigda, di mo ba kayo mo na siya ma-deflate. Tapos, may inflate ra po siya. Nice po ng view, pero wala kami nakastay diri sa balcony. Kay sige mamiglakaw. Worth it ra ba ang 300? 300 for 1 night for 2 person. 350 plus. Included na din ang tax. So, okay na po siya. Kaya nindot magiging yung facility. Kasi ang nakabati ilang pool. Kaya ilang pool is 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. ra. So, dili ka baka night swimming. Nindot ang tamag night swimming. Diba?
Yes.
So, basik pwede na to sa gawas, no? Gahapon ba gabi eh. Dito dapit sa beach ba? Basik pwede ang night swimming dito sa? Or 6 na po. Pero kay outside ba dito? So, basik dito pwede ni ato dito tatano. Umikabalo. So, na-pool dito sa rooftop, but dito sa gawas, sa ubo, sa kilid, napoy pool. Pero lahi ang tag-iya. Pero maka-access na gihapon ang nag-check-in dito nga hotel. So, Nakaligo mi dito nga pool, ayon sa apoy beach. Pero mo lagi init kista rin, so wala naman ni ka to beach. So karon, ready na mi kay mga uni. Nami pizza dala. Pero may sa kwarto sa mong friend. And then, mag-impake na. Kapoy na bit ako English, guys. Mga Bisaya na lang. Sunscreen kay. Init siya, guys. All in all, I give this hotel a 4 out of 5 stars. Just because the rooftop pool is not available for night swimming. But we'll definitely still go back here if given the chance. Check out namin, guys. Ano to? One day na. Bye na. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one. Bye!